Okay, so it's Christmas Eve right now. Well, honestly, this is not the type of day I was hoping for on Christmas Eve. As you hear, there's an air conditioner going back there. It's about 70 degrees right now. Anyways, but here's these two Trane units that I filmed a couple times. I was hoping maybe to catch one running, but I don't know. Obviously, they're not running right now. The Trane XR15 and the Trane XL16. From what I remember, I was just watching a video yesterday. This is 2012 and it's 2007. So we're gonna make sure I'm right about that real quick. Yeah, 2007. And 2012, okay. Let's get the tonnage real quick. This is a 5 ton and a 2 ton. Okay, well, there's someone pulling in a driveway. So okay, so here's the thermostat. It's a Honeywell. It's 74 in here, but they've got it set at 72. And you can see they have the heater on, so we're not going to get the air conditioner. I think this is for the XR15. I'm not sure. You can see this room is really creepy, dude. Back here, I think. I don't know. Anyways, over now. Christmas lights. Yeah. That's cool. I filmed this a couple of years ago. Well, just about a year ago.